All right, welcome to third grade, your very first lesson. We are going to be doing reading today. I know that on your schedule it said math, but right now we're just trying to upload those videos. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So you should be in your third grade reading book. It should be red and have the number 3 on it. Go ahead and find page 10. Find page 10, and then we will go ahead and get started. All right, your page 10 should look something like this. If you found lesson 1 and it says ask and answer questions about key ideas, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All right, I see so many thumbs up over there. Make sure that you have lesson 1 at the top and it says ask and answer questions about key ideas. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today, your standard that we will be working on is asking and answering questions about what you read will help you understand the text. So when you ask and answer questions, it helps you understand what your text is about. This is 3.RI.1.1 for the standard. All right, so I want you to go ahead and underline a couple of these words in the standard. I want you to underline the word asking and the word answering. Questions. Then on the bottom, I want you to circle help you understand. Help you understand. Those are some key words that I want you to focus on. Okay, so here is our short story for today. It is called Prairie Dog Homes. Prairie Dog Homes. The first thing, I want you to just go ahead and put your hand over the text and look at the picture. Now, it does say asking and answering questions about the text will help you, but guess what else helps us a lot? Asking questions and answering them from photos or illustrations. So let's go ahead and look at this. It says Prairie Dog Homes for the title. So is this a prairie dog? If you said no, this is probably a wolf or something like that, what other animal do you see in the picture that could be a prairie dog? If you said any of these little animals down here, you are right. So we are talking about these type of homes. I want you to look at these homes. Where are they? It looks like they are underneath the dirt. I see here that there's the sky, the wolf or the coyote is smelling the dirt, and these little prairie dogs are underneath the earth. So all the ground that we walk on, they form their houses underneath here. All right. So let's go ahead and read. Put your finger on the word read. It says, we ask questions to get information or to understand something. Often questions begin with words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. As you read, ask yourself questions about the text. Then look for key details in the text to answer your questions. Asking and answering questions will help you understand the topic of the text. Okay, so there's some important things in here. Let's go back and read it again. Good readers always read their text at least 2 times, okay? So we're going to go back and read it again. It says, we ask questions to get information or to understand something. Does that sound familiar to you? It sounds like what our standard was. So we ask the questions to get information to understand something. Often questions begin with words such as, I would underline this right here, who, what, when, where, why, how. So this means that you're going to be asking questions that begin with those. So like, who is in the photo? What are they doing? When was this happening? Where are they? And how do the prairie dogs come above the earth? As you read, ask yourself questions about the text. Then look for key details. Let's stop right there. Go ahead and circle key details. Then look for key details in the text to answer your questions. Key details are anything that will help you understand your text better, and also making sure that these answer some of your questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. It says asking and answering questions will help you understand the topic of the text. Okay, so look at the picture. What questions do you have and what do you see? So I want you to think of one question that you have about this photo, and I also want you to write down one thing that you see. And once we meet up, you should have those 2 questions ready.